Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do sweet potato fritters. For this I need 2/4 cup of plain flour, 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is kapur. I'm going to just ballpark, going to stir my diluted kapur. About 1/4 teaspoon of 2/4 cup of water. Let's see the consistency of this flour. It's a bit thick. 2, 3/4 cup. I'm going to peel the sweet potato. I'm going to rest this about 15 minutes and we'll be back soon. Hi, it's been 10 minutes setting this aside. So one way of testing is you can do this with banana, plantain, pisang tanduk. Over here you can't get pisang tanduk, you can use plantain. This I like this crispy batter. So usually after frying all, at the end of the fry we will fry the batter. Let's see. Okay, it's cooked now. Going to continue frying. One more. I should have put more oil. I can turn now. Looks like I might have to. Test. No. No. Okay. Very good. Good. And put in the comment what you think. And you may share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.